I'm never gonna be the best player in the league, you know, that's fact. But what I will give is 100% every week, and I'll make sure that if I can't do everything myself, I will make sure if I'm not scoring every week, that I'm making it easy for someone else to score.
Canlyniad siomedig iawn.
O, perfformiad gwaith mo. Oedd Aberystwyth yn iddo fo, oedden nhw isio fo lot mwy na ni, a mynd ar rai o waith season yma sy'n siomedig iawn. Dych o'n i'n neud o'n glir bod rhaid ni basically batlo yma heddiw ac bod ni ddangos cymeriad a dangos faint o quality sgynna ni. Nath ni bob dim ond hynna, so really disappointed with players heddiw.
When it goes 2-1, they've got a bit of momentum going with it, and the win behind them. Yeah, it's critical that we did get that third goal. Otherwise, it could have been a sketchy, last 10 minutes or so. But fair play to my players today. I thought they grafted, they worked hard, they did all the dirty stuff. Was really good today.
Our plan was obviously if we could win the toss was to go with the win, because the wind can change in Aber. But they won the toss and decided to change and go against it. So we put a lot of pressure on them first half. We should have probably been a couple of goals up, but it wasn't. So we were happy to be up a goal, and we defended well second half.
Dyna sy'n siomedig, da ni roi wifi yn yna, a mae yna 10 munud wrth i fynd extra time ar y cloc, a da ni wedyn lle bod ni'n clirio lanes ni a wneud y basics y dda, da ni'n mynd a giftio'r ail gol no, wedyn da ni'n mynd digon wedyn i stopio'r shots lle oedden nhw'n fod o rhaid i cyrff ar bodies on the line lle doedden ni ddim heddiw lle, so siomedig iawn.
There's always been potential in this squad, and it's a belief in them, because obviously being at the bottom of the league, it's psychologically it's tough, but I believe now that we'll keep on pushing on, we'll keep on working hard, and we've got to make sure that we turn up and we perform like we did today. Especially
Corb's being a local, I've worked with him before, and there's no one more happy than me for him, because coming into a club where we were in a mess. And fair play to him for stepping up and coming in, so I got nothing but respect for Corbs. He's come in, he's changed the ethos in the change room, he's made us work harder, we're running more than we ever have now in training, and it's starting to pay off on the pitch. The boys look fitter, we look stronger, and we're finishing games better.